Hello, my name is Aimee Jensen, and my full-time job is to create elementary resources for teachers. I just launched my first ever classroom decor bundle. I sent it off to my product photographer. She took some beautiful pictures and sent it back to me. So now I'm setting it up in my office so it can be the background for my videos. But I also wanted to do this video today to show you some tips and tricks I wish I had known when I was setting up my own classroom. This is my Dreamy and Bright decor bundle, so I'm going to download it from TPT so that you can see everything that is included in it. This is the file with everything included, and I have pre-made versions for you, or if you want to add your students' names, like let's say on these labels, then there's a PowerPoint option too that you can go through and find the label that you would like and add your own text box. And there's also a folder with examples. If you're not sure what something's going to look like in the end, then you can look at my examples to know what it will look like. Let me know if you know what these names come from. I mentioned before, my product photographer already printed these ones out for me, but I don't have the complete alphabet, so I need to finish printing it, and that is what I'm going to show you guys how to do today. This is the last page in this set, but there's a colored version or there is a black and white version that has these colored letters at the top to kind of match the theme. But this will go to page 26. And to get this size of just having a half sheet to save ink and paper, we are going to go to File in Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's free, and that's what I opened this file with. And we're going to go to Print. And then right here, we're going to switch the settings to Multiple. And then to get this size that I have down here, we're going to print 2 of each. And then I'm going to change the pages to start from page 4 to 26 because I already have A, B, C, so I need to start on D. But if you're just doing it normally, you would just go 1 to 26, or if you want the colored version, then you would put in those page numbers. So now I'm going to change my printer paper so that it prints nicely on this cardstock. I would just print with regular paper and laminate it if you're going to be using this in your classroom. But because I have a few decor options I want to do, I'm going to be switching this up a lot, and cardstock will work better for me. If you're looking for great cardstock, I would recommend this one. I just got it on Amazon and it came in the mail today, so let's load it into the printer. I love being a part of the HP Instant Ink program because my printer keeps track of how much ink is left in each cartridge, and when I'm running low, it sends an alert that I need more. You pay for the pages that you print, not for the ink. It's the same cost per page for color or black and white, and you can select the printing plan to meet your needs. They will send the cartridges to you with free shipping with a recycling container so that you can get rid of your old cartridges. It is seriously the best, and the ink is perfect. If I print something that has a lot of ink, I usually will set all the pages out and just let them dry for like 2 minutes just so that I don't smear anything. But this does dry pretty fast. This is mostly just a precaution. This guillotine trimmer is so handy to have. I'm just going to take 2 pages at a time and cut them to make sure they are the right size. So I'm going to trim off a little bit around the edges. Just going to line it up. And then you want to stand with your nose should face this green part, and that way you can tell if the paper is even or not. Okay, I'm gonna throw that in my trash can. Everything's cut out and ready to go on the wall. Your best friend when decorating your classroom is going to be painter's tape, also a pair of scissors, and push pins. Those are the 3 things that you will be using for the whole project. So what I like to do before I put something on the wall is to lay it in front of the wall and kind of get the layout first to make sure that the wall is going to be wide enough to fit this. You're going to have much better luck in a classroom, but I'm just in my office, so we're gonna see how it goes, and I'm just using painter's tape to put this over here as the wall that I've decided on. Let's go. It fit all the way across perfectly. I also swapped out the pictures that I have in these frames that I got from the Dollar Tree like 3 or 4 years ago, and they're still holding up great. And now we are going to finish this little reference wall, and I'm so excited. The next thing that I'm going to display are these shape and color mini posters. And I was thinking if you shrink any of these things down just a little bit, like maybe print 4 on a page instead of 2, they would make perfect flashcards. So because they're 6 and 6, I'm going to put them above my manipulatives cart, and then after that I took down these cute little coin posters and I'm going to put that underneath them because it will look a little bit better. So let's do that next. I love the way that this turned out. It's so cute. The word wall is just about done, and then I had this blank space in between the frames and the alphabet, so I put these affirmations. I know a lot of people put them on a mirror, but you can do whatever. I love that this is right by my manipulatives drawers. I'll show you what's on the other side now. So this is my black pocket calendar. It's the Scholastic brand. I found it on Amazon. It was a little bit more expensive, but I just loved the black color. I think it looks so nice with what I have here. And then we have our morning meeting, just like routine up on the board, voice levels. And then on this other side, this is from my friend Bethany Barr Education. And then I have this little job chart, and it's so fun because you can make these cute little like ID cards for your kiddos. This comes with a freebie that has a picture of all the kids, and so your students can choose which one they want to be theirs. I also have the same thing for name tags, and I will show those next. These are the name tags. I have versions that have these cute little kiddos on them or versions without. And again, that page will just show you all the different options so your students can choose which one they want to be, and you can edit the text to match. I try to keep these consistent. So this picture is Lorelai, and then if you come over here, you'll see that her character is the same. I'm launching new decor bundles this summer, and I'm going to be filming other videos showing you some behind the scenes and how to set them up just like this. And I can't wait to see you when we do those videos. Have a great day. Bye.